Hello, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to create a schedule with your Roomba J5 combo. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our iRobot Home app, then select our Roomba, and then scroll down to schedule, so this right here. And then you can either click the create a schedule button or just enter the schedule tab and create a new schedule from here. And there we can select the start, so when it starts we can select when it repeats, so for example Monday, Wednesday or Friday. Then we have the clean preference option, so it cleans the whole space once or the whole space twice, whichever option you want. Then you can select also the automation, so for example when you're leaving home it can be enabled automatically, or you can use any other options. And once you've done that, you can just click on schedule, and there as you can see the schedule has been enabled. And you can disable it if you want by pressing on the toggle, and you will hear a chime from the robot. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.